Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to hide Xbox games step by step. Open your Xbox, sign in, go to My Games and Apps, highlight the title, press Menu, and choose Manage to begin hiding the game. Use the Hide option to remove the title from view, and repeat for any other games you want hidden. This keeps your library tidy, private, and easy to reverse when you change your mind. To hide individual games, pick the title in My Games and Apps and open its Manage menu to find the Hide option. Select Hide and confirm if prompted, and the title will disappear from your visible list without uninstalling it. You can always reverse this by checking hidden items in the console settings or account library. This method helps keep surprise gifts, demos, or older purchases out of sight while staying simple and quick. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step tips. Quick recommendation: I spotted comfy socks that fit long gaming nights. Darn tough with a lifetime warranty makes sense for anyone who spends hours on the couch. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you need to unhide games, go to Settings or your account library to reveal hidden items and restore them to view. Use family and privacy controls to limit visibility for child accounts and safeguard purchases from appearing on shared profiles. Unhiding does not reinstall the game or add charges. It simply returns the title to your visible library. These controls give you flexible management over what each account can see and access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.